Kaizer Chiefs rising star Naledi Hlongwane has revealed how watching Orlando Pirates sensation Rolobahile Riley Mofokeng break into the limelight has fueled his own ambitions and growth as a young footballer. Hlongwane is among a group of Amakosi DStv Disc Challenge DTC players selected for a special development tour in the United Kingdom, a reward for winning the 2024-2025 DTC title. The youngsters will test themselves against the under-21 sides of Manchester United, Leeds United and Queen's Park Rangers, gaining international exposure and valuable experience in European football environments. Speaking to the media before leaving for the UK, Hlongwane said Mofokeng's meteoric rise at Pirates has served as a powerful source of motivation, and said we used to play against each other in primary school. We grew up together but at different schools. Rivals, you could say. Seeing him now in the first team at Pirates, one of the biggest clubs in South Africa, playing regularly, it made me push myself. I told myself, this guy comes from the same place as me. If he can make it, then so can I. Hlongwane added that watching Mofokeng succeed has provided both belief and perspective, especially because they share similar upbringing, and that it inspires me a lot because I know his story. I know the struggles we both went through. It pushes me to work harder so that one day I can play for Kaizer Chiefs first team. Reflecting on his own path, the Valborn forward described his rapid development as a dream come true. And since I was a kid, I prayed for moments like this. From playing in the streets to where I am now, the difference is huge. When I look back to 5 years ago, I can see how much I've grown. That motivates me every day at training to keep improving and become a better person. As Chiefs prepare to showcase their next generation of talent on an international stage, Hlongwane's story stands as a testament to ambition, resilience, and the power of seeing someone from your own world succeed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.